So now that we've ended the series, let's just take one more second to talk about the things that we learned and how we got to where we are. Even though this was a basic course, we did go into some more advanced knowledge of SolidWorks, things like complex surfacing, talking about design tables, some rendering, and so on. So we really expanded on the basics and went up to some advanced topics inside of SolidWorks. We completed several examples, such as the machine part, sheet metal, the complex surfacing part, and got into the assembly part where we learned about things like in context parts and how to make sub-assemblies and so on. Really, what we wanted to talk about was understanding the how and why when you're modeling in SolidWorks. So, understanding why you needed to make a fully defined sketch and how to do it, how to add dimensions, how to add relations, and really how to build a strong foundation for modeling your parts in 3D. So, this gave us the knowledge for when you get ready to take the next step and start creating your own parts. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me, solidworkssurfacer@gmail.com, and I'm happy to answer any questions and help you get you on your way to becoming a better modeler. Thanks for watching and enjoy SolidWorks.